In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Euro car parts discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser. And right here, you'll have to search for Euro car parts discount promo code. Go to this website, which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with a 10% discount of your purchase. All you need to do right here is just select this button where it says show coupon code. And this is the promo code right here that you can copy. And you can apply this one on your next order to get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Hot UK Deals. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use for some benefits. So let's say that you want to get this one with a 20% discount. Simply tap right here where it says the code. And this is the promo code that you can copy. And you can apply the promo code on your next order to get a 20% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.